SOFI update here on the 27th. Nice little pop today. Up a little bit more. Still is not broken above the 797 level, which is the supply zone, but came kind of close. It went up to 789 today. And in this video, I'm going to go over the same, it's basically the same concept of the last video where I said this is going to fall one more time, but show you a little bit more of what I think it is. 333 is what it's called. And so let's go ahead and get into it. Basically, a 333 is just 5 ABC corrections within each other in a fall. It's basically like a falling wedge with ABC, 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 and then the last one down here. These are all going down and making lower lows. These are making lower highs. So on this one, we had ABC down, then ABC up. If we look at the Fibonacci of this, this retraced to about the 0.78 fib. If we look here at what a 333 is, the X wave normally retraces 50% to about 85% of the W wave. So ABC down, it's kind of hard to see. ABC, ABC retracement. And then on this one, it shows that it turned into a double 3 for the next ABC correction. And that's exactly what happened on SOFI. That's why this was so tricky, because this move right here is W, X, Y. Those are all ABC corrections. And that finishes off the Y wave. The Y wave normally does not go past the 1.61 fib of the W wave, which is at 523. We did not come close to that. So far, looking exactly like a 333. So if this were going to break out from the bottom here, then this would have to be an impulse move. We would not want to see a corrective move up. But what happens? We go up and we come down here and make a new low, which invalidates this as an impulse move. So that makes this A, B, and that puts us into a C wave right now. So that means the X wave is going to retrace the 0.5 all the way up to potentially the 0.85 fib. Where is that at? Anywhere from 805 all the way up to about 950. So that should be our target here on this move up, anywhere in this range. But we have a gap fill here. We have a gap fill at 950. We also have this parallel line for the start of the move and the first X wave. So based on that, I would suspect that we go all the way up here to about 860, 870. That would be my target, but it can go as low as 805. But after that is finished, you can see here what happens. One more lower low, ABC down. That would be the Z wave. So after this, I'd probably expect a move down here to these gap fills, bounce, and then another move down here to the parallel line drawn from W and Y, which takes us to that 550 gap fill. And then that would complete the overall 5-wave move. 5-wave correction, I should say. Just like that, and then it should be ready to go. So, again, I still think it's going to go lower, unfortunately, but you're having a lot of time here. We were down at $6. If it goes all the way to 860, that gives you plenty of time to hedge, take profit, whatever. So when I call for 550, it's not really that big of a deal. And if it happens, then you just get an opportunity to buy lower, because after that, we're going to go to new highs. So when I say 550, it's not the end of the world. People freak out about it, but it's not the end of the world. This is just what I see correction-wise happening over the next 3 to 4 months. So I think that we're in the middle of a C wave up. When would I expect it to end? Probably, it's probably going to end in the next like week or two. And if I'm wrong, we'll know I'm wrong. I guess it could go all the way up here to 960 too, but that would be the top end of this move higher, and then I'm expecting that correction. So one more lower low. You have the gap fill down here. You also have weekly demand. And yeah, that's a 333. That's the combination that I think we're in right now. And that's pretty much it for this video. Let's see how high we can go. We can go up to 805, potentially all the way up to 950. But more than likely, we're probably going to finish right in that area, I would say. So that's it for this video. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe if you're not already, and I will catch you in the next video.